Hey guys, today we're going to dive into the new HyperOS from Xiaomi, its newest operating system, making a shift from the MIUI to a more streamlined, unified approach. In this video, we'll explore its features, performance, and what makes it different. HyperOS builds on the foundation of MIUI, but it's designed for a broader ecosystem. It's based on Android 14 and offers a lighter, faster, tailored experience for both smartphones and other Xiaomi smart devices. Android really shines with the ability to customize each aspect of the mobile experience. HyperOS introduced an entirely new level of lock screen customization. User can choose from dynamic wallpaper that respond to the time of the day or interactions, adjust clock style, and even add quick access widget for tools like camera, weather, or smart home control. The lock screen isn't just a barrier to your phone anymore, it's a functional dashboard, giving you instant access to information and tools you use the most, all while maintaining a sleek design. Options don't stop there. The always-on display in HyperOS offers a perfect mix of style and functionality. Users can customize font, dynamic wallpapers, and color palettes to match their preference, while notification to show up app icon or detailed preview. You can even have your own custom image with custom icons. HyperOS also has cool options for icons, fonts, fingerprint animation, and notification effects. You can tweak icons to a different shape, size to match your vibe, and play around with fonts to give your phone a unique look. The fingerprint animation adds a bit flair to every time you unlock your phone with sleek eye-catching effects. Notification get a glow up too with interactive effects like glowing edges or smooth animation to keep things looking fresh. HyperOS is all about speed and smoothness with less system clutter, apps open faster, transition feel buttery, and everything just works without slowing down. Even when you're juggling a bunch of tasks at once, whether you're switching between social media, playing games, or streaming videos, HyperOS keeps things running seamlessly so you can focus on what you're doing without any interruption. Especially for gamers, HyperOS optimizes system resources in real time, delivering smooth frame rates, faster loading time, and minimum lag, even in the most demanding games. Whether you're battling out intense multiplayer matches or exploring expansive open world, HyperOS ensures an immersive and hassle-free gaming experience. Made effortless with features like split screen mode and pop-out windows. Split screen lets you run two apps side by side, perfect for watching a video while texting or browsing the web while taking notes. The pop-out feature takes it even further, allowing you to shrink an app into a floating window that you can move around the screen, whether you're replying to a message while watching a tutorial or checking your calendar during a video call. Let's move on to the battery. With battery saver mode, you can extend your battery life when it's running low by reducing background activity and adjusting system performance. It helps stretch those last few percentage points until you can recharge. With ultra battery saver mode, you can extend this to a few days. Battery protection, which prevents overcharging by optimizing how your phone charges, especially overnight. This helps preserve the long-term health of your battery. The option to do regular charging, optimized charging, or limited charging, depending on what your needs are. And finally, additional features have some extra options. Boost charging speed allows you to focus on the speed of charging. Reverse wireless charging, you can charge headphones behind your phone, as well as the option to schedule power. One of the most noticeable upgrades in HyperOS is the redesign of the control center. Whether you're turning on Wi-Fi, managing Bluetooth, or checking notification, the new layout feels cleaner. In HyperOS, all icon names in the control center have been removed, giving it a more minimalistic look, similar to iOS, but with its own unique style. While this might feel unfamiliar at first, it quickly becomes streamlined and visually appealing. Unlike MIUI, HyperOS eliminates the need to swipe sideways to access additional settings. Not all your quick settings are on the same page, accessible with a simple scroll, making it easier to use. HyperOS brings a modern functional upgrade to the control center, combining simplicity with efficiency to improve everyday interactions. HyperOS brings a new privacy and security dashboard to the Settings app. Putting all your privacy tools in one easy spot is simple to use and makes managing your data a breeze. One of the coolest features is the app permission section. Everything is organized by category, so you can quickly check and control what apps are allowed to access, like things like your location or camera, and obviously remove those permissions. The data encryption feature is there to keep your personal files safe, making sure they stay protected even if someone gets hold of your device. You get also secure file storage where you can lock away important files in space that only you can access with a password. Plus, there are features like real-time alerts to keep you informed about unusual app activity, privacy recommendation to help you stay on top of your phone's security. HyperOS makes your phone smarter, faster, and more secure, all while keeping things easy to use. Whether it's customizing your device, staying productive, or keeping your data safe, it's got you covered. Thank you for checking out the HyperOS has to offer. It's a very similar experience to iOS, but with a lot more customization options. I do recommend to check it out if you can.